Okay, what we're going to do today is change the windshield wiper of a car. This is a Volvo C70, but there's a lot of manufacturers that use this type of design, so it should be helpful on other brands as well. The key here, once you get the windshield wiper arm up off the windshield and you rotate the wiper, on the bottom you'll see this little clip right here. It's a spring clip. All you have to do is push it in with your finger and put some downward force towards the car on the windshield wiper, and the wiper comes right off. The replacement wiper has a protective piece of plastic over the edge, so just take that off. Get the new wiper right in the same position as the old wiper. Once you get it in place, put some upward pressure and you can hear it click. Once it clicks into place, you're done. I always put a little pressure going down to make sure it's locked in. But that's it. Real simple, real easy windshield wiper replacement.